And we're here at the Installer Show at the NEC. Häfele are excited to be here this year because it's the first year that kitchens have been included. We have got tons to show you. Come on, let's take a look. And here we are on the Häfele stand. Let me show you around. Hang on a minute. What's that doing there? These are supposed to be top secret. Keep these safe, will ya? And have you seen the extra hand? You probably have. It's been on Dragon's Den. One of the things we're going to be showing you is our 𝗀𝗂𝗿 range of lighting, as well as all of our drivers. Here we have our range of matrix door boxes from Häfele. We're also going to be showing you 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏 flashbacks. Here we have the universal connector from Häfele. We're also showing you our 𝗦𝗏 hinges. And we're going to be joined on the stand by our brand partners. We'll be powering up with Festool, and 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗀 will be joining us as well, showcasing their range of abrasives. What's more, we're going to be showcasing the new 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗀 tool, which will make it so much easier for you to move Samsung around the kitchen. And we've got a great competition for you as well. We're levelling up with 𝗙𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗀, and you've got a chance of winning one of 3 Samsung TVs we're giving away every day. We're looking forward to seeing you at the show this week.